Thanks for stopping in again, guys. Today we're looking at this 72 Cheyenne, big block. Man, this thing is nice. We've been getting just some stupid nice trucks lately. I don't know if you guys have been watching the channel, but shoot, some really nice trucks have been making their way through the old process here. Body on this is super solid, as you can see, so is the paint. She's not perfect, but man, she is very close to being so. I think really the only thing I've seen, she's got a little chip right here. Other than that, man, shoot. Man, these trucks are gonna get me in trouble. I'll go ahead and let's fire up and let's take it for a spin. Let's head onto the road here. Power steering feels really nice. I got all working gauges. And that 400, man, she moves. I don't want to go crazy here because it's a school zone, but shoot, even just that little bit, just getting up to 25 there, you can really feel it. I'm not getting any bad road feedback. No shakes through the steering column or anything. Yeah, we got a little bit of traffic. Let's go ahead and step on it a little bit. Oh yeah. Very nice. I mean, this is a truck, man. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and head back to the shop, though. We'll get her on a lift, and I'll show you guys the undercarriage.